Hi, third grade. Today's lesson is about using commas when we are writing dates and places. So, two very simple rules. We use a comma between the day and the year in a date. So, for example, I made this video on July 17th, and then I'm going to put a comma between the day and the year, and the year is 2017. And here's my comma. Okay, the second rule is to use a comma between the city or town that you live in and the state. Okay, so let's say you live in Chicago, Illinois. It would look like this: Chicago, comma, Illinois. Or if you want to be fancy and use the two-letter abbreviation for Illinois, it's IL. Okay, on this page, 1 through 10, what you're going to do is write it correctly using the two rules. Remember, a comma between the day and the year, and a comma between the city and the state. So do that for number 1 through 10. As an example, number 1 would be February 17th, comma, 1914. Number 2 would be Denver, comma, Colorado. And finish 3 through 10. After you finish that, I want on page 177, I want you to do the same for 11 through 20 and just add the comma where it's needed. So you don't have to write the full sentence, just the part where the comma is missing. And in the black bin. Thank you.